you, ma'am. Next is Star Sergeant Fernando Perez, a.k.a. Ang Pirey. Star Sergeant Perez, are you around? Andiyan na po, kami na. Okay, Star Sergeant Perez is coming. Here it comes, here it comes. Wow. Gusto lang kata o what? Here was Manali next. Here was Manali. So, maganda ako sa ating lahat. Anak, ilang, happy birthday.
Thank you po.
Please tara out in life. Kung mabuti ha. Kung maging pasaway.
Thank you.
Bless ka, bless.
Next is Miss Marian Soriano.
Galit ka?
Soriano Darun B. Marian Soriano Darun B. Basta ako di ko yan.
Yes.
Kumain mo na. Okay.
I chose this gift para assure malala mo na nandito kami tulong na may nagso to protect you and support you hanggang sa mga iba. Happy birthday!
Thank you po.
Thank you. Next is Miss Gracie Malaya.
Miss Gracie Malaya, next. Okay. Ayan po.
Hello Ella, happy 7th birthday, how are you? Thank you for inviting me and for remembering me in your first teacher and always be a source of joy kay Daddy at kay Mami kasi nakikita ko how much they love you and always sabi sa Bible, diba, obey your parents in the Lord for He is right. Happy birthday!
Thank you po.
Thank you. Next up is Mrs. Senator Yanda, the First Lady of Quezon.
Happy birthday, Emma! Smile na birthday mo. Sana maging isang masayahing dalaga. Hope sana makapit ako sa sa 20th birthday mo. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you, First Lady. Sorry. Next up is Mrs. Terry Argueta.
Happy birthday. I chose this gift for you as a treasure, among treasures. You have to keep it because we're going to use it for our other 7 treasures. Na si Mami ang nagamit actually. Ako sa artistic siya. Pero both are going to use this. Happy birthday.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you, Sir Brothers. Palakpakan na natin yung ating mga participants. Yan. Dito na sa akin yung ating siyempre na maraming salamat daw.
Kali lang naman ang mata.
Tapos, ang sabi ng nanay, kung pwede sana, yung mga gifts, yung magagamit niya.